Dan Perry here with another digital electronics tutorial for Dan on Tech. In this video we will continue our look at Boolean algebra, and we're going to start by looking at some of the laws or rules that define Boolean algebra, and some of these are very similar to the rules that you learned in basic math. The first rule that we're going to look at is the commutative law or commutative rule. And with it, what it's basically saying is the order of an operation does not matter. So if we were just doing regular math, if we said 3 plus 5, that would be the same as 5 plus 3. The order doesn't matter. So with Boolean algebra, the order doesn't matter when we're using the Boolean algebra or Boolean expressions, so we can say that A or B is equal to B or A. We can also say that A and B is equal to B and A. Those rules, or that order in the commutative property, says it doesn't matter which direction or which order you do the operation, it will give you the same results. So with it, if we were to look at a truth table, and we were to have the truth table, and we had A, B, and we had, let's just do it with the or, A or B, and you could verify this with A and B on your own. We would have, say, with A it was 0. Let me write my truth table down. And A or B would be a 0 when both are 0, and a 1 if A is 0 and B is 1, and a 1 if A is 1 and B is 0, and if they're both 1s. If we said B or A, so we reverse the rules, well, 0, the B 0, or A, well, 0 or 0 is still 0. The B is 1, or a 0 for A still gives us a 1, because only one of them has to be. A B of 0 and an A of 1, well, that gives us the 1, and the 1 or 1 gives us the 1. So we can verify that with the truth table that gives us the same result. So that is our commutative law, and that's a hard word for me to say. Similar to it, we have an associative law, and the associative law basically says, and it let's use first a regular math expression. If I had 3 plus 5 plus 7, that would be the same as, or if I did it this way, 3 plus 5 in parentheses plus 7, that would be the same as 3 plus, in parentheses, 5 plus 7. As long as the operation is the same, it would be the same. And that would also hold true for multiplication. 3 times 5 in parentheses times 7 would be the same as 3 times 5 times 7 in parentheses. So when we apply that to Boolean algebra, we would have that A plus B in parentheses plus C is equal to A plus, in parentheses, B plus C. Would also work with ANDing. So A and B, in parentheses, ANDed with C, is the same as A ANDed with B and C, in parentheses. As long as it's, again, the same operation, the order doesn't matter. And I'll leave you to verify that on your own with a truth table. So that is the associative and commutative laws in Boolean algebra. Now, thank you for watching this Dan on Tech video. Please subscribe to this playlist so you don't miss future videos. Please check out and subscribe to our other playlists on the Dan on Tech channel.